Good morning, everyone. So, for today's video, I'm gonna tour you here in our village since it's sunny and it's pretty cool here, guys. I'm gonna show you around. So, the weather is pretty cool today. As you can see, it's sunny. Pretty when it's sunny. The surroundings are dry. Look at that. This is the area where I cleaned earlier in the morning, and look at that, so pretty because it's sunny. And update about our water pump, it's not working. The water pump is not working. Look at that. So I don't know where's the handle of this water pump. It's not clear, the water is not clear. So let's go to my parents house. So there's no people here because they are at the school and work. So it's closed, and they have a laundry. It will be dry today because it's sunny. So let's go back to my house. Let us go back to my house. Pretty. It's so pretty when it's sunny. I hate when it's raining always, you know. So this is my house. I need to get off that Christmas decorations. So I put a new door wallpaper. So yeah, this is our floor. So we need to change the carpet, the floor carpet, because as you can see, it's messy. It's not pretty cool to look if it is like that, you know. It's ugly. So this is my house. I just cleaned it today. So that's me. So yeah, we have a piggy here, piggy bank, where I can put some coins. And yeah, this is my stuffs here. The Myra, what I'm using, body lotion. Hello. I don't have a dual cam, so this is what I'm using. So I'm done with my live streaming today. So later, Natalia had school, so we're going to the school later. This is my kitchen. So yeah, let's go outside. It's pretty here, right? When it's sunny. Pretty when it's sunny. This area here, I didn't clean it earlier because I'm lazy to do it. So maybe later afternoon I will clean it. So yeah. So the chickens here, our neighbor's chicken is quiet. Quiet. Chuchu. It's quiet. This is the bamboo where always fell down here in our backyard and front yard. So I think the neighbor is not here in their house. So yeah, I'm okay to do a video, to take a video. Look at that. So calming. Calming. Super ganda niya pag maaraw talaga. So there's a lot of chickens over here. There's a chicken. Where is na ano siya? Natay. Nahigot. I don't know where is the owner of these chickens. Here roasters and so on. Shh. Shh. Nabubula diya day. Mabubulad siya. She's ano, you know, tied up. Tied up. So yeah, this is my week. So ayan, the neighbor is not here. It's really pretty, right? So let's go back here. It's pretty when it's sunny. No more music here anymore. Maybe their phone is low battery. This is the laundry, the clothes that I washed yesterday. I'm lazy to fold it today. So, ganyan lang muna siya. The chickens are fighting. They are fighting. The two chickens. Their chickens are fighting. I don't know where the owner is. Lang! Lang! Kadi daw! I need help. Dali! The chickens. Their chicken farm. Wala lang ko na nag-iinaway. Sakba. Oh, tadi nag-iinaway. Naglalabok. Lilinabok. Oh, hindi na ako nag-iinaway nga na yung pukka. Pretty better. Now the chickens are fighting. Victor. I like it when it's sunny. So that's a quick tour here. See you again in my next live. Thank you so much. See you again in my next video. Thank you so much.